What's up, gang, in post-apocalyptic land? It's your narrator to the end of the world, Warwick Key Eagle. And today, I'm going to show you how to use acrylic inks with your normal based acrylics. These are the three that I'm using that are acrylic inks. There's some fantastic colors, so we'll get right into it. Okay. I've already sort of started, but I'm doing this guy. So I'm just sort of updating him and stuff. So I'll start showing you how to use it. We've got this rose here and we got this here. We're going to mix together and start painting. So mix it, mix it, mix it. I've got my wet palette. Get a bit closer. So I put a little bit of brown with that. Lob there. Mix those all together. Something interesting will come. Mix those together. That's what I want. Maybe a little bit more red. So that's popping. That's popping because those are acrylic inks. Right, I'll add it to its jacket. Hey Marcia, what you up to? This is my daughter.
Yes.
Okay. Cute bananas. hey, here's the finished project. This is what inks can do for you. That stuff's popping. Hell of a lot different than it was originally. If you get it right, you can get something like this. I love this chick. That purple just pops, man. As well, did it a few months ago, but I updated, so I did that with the inks as well. That's truly come along great. Oh, off to the slideshow.